In this video, we will see how to make an LED chaser circuit using IC555 and IC4017. IC555 works in a stable mode and so the LED blinks continuously. If we connect the output pin 3 of 555 IC to the clock input of IC4017, that is pin number 14, and then connect the LEDs to the output of IC4017, then the LEDs will blink one by one, giving us the effect that the LEDs are running or chasing each other. I have made 6 different effects with 10 LEDs and you can make many more combinations if you just learn the basics. So for that, watch the video till the end and subscribe to NTech to learn more about electronic projects and circuits. Mount both the ICs on breadboard with their notch facing towards the left. First, we'll make the circuit of an LED flasher, the circuit of which is mentioned in the description below, and also place all the LEDs on breadboard with their cathode connected to the ground through a 330 ohm current limiting resistor. Connect pin number 1 of 555 IC to ground. Short pin number 2 and pin number 6. Connect pin number 3 to pin number 14 of IC4017, pin number 4 of 555 IC to plus VCC, and pin number 8 to plus VCC. Then connect pin number 16 of IC4017 to plus VCC or positive. Pin number 15 to ground. Pin number 13 also to ground. And pin number 8 to ground. Now we will connect the output, that is the LEDs, with IC4017. Connect the first LED to pin number 3, second LED to pin number 2, third LED to pin number 4, fourth LED to pin number 7, fifth LED to pin number 10, sixth LED to pin number 1, seventh LED to pin number 5, eighth LED to pin number 6, ninth LED to pin number 9, and the last LED to pin number 11. We will now connect the 9-volt battery. In this basic effect, we have connected the output pins of 4017 in sequence. That is, output 0 is connected to first LED, output 1 is connected to second LED, and so on. If you want to make other effects, all you have to do is change the sequence of the output pins connected to the LEDs. For example, if you want to reverse this effect, then connect output 0 to the last LED, output 1 to the second last LED, and so on. If you have any queries related to this circuit, then feel free to put it down in the comments below and let me know if there is any other circuit you want me to make. Thank you for watching this video.